In the year since the COVID-19 pandemic shut down the Broadway industry, the Actors Fund has distributed more than $19 million in direct cash assistance to more than 15,000 people, with more than 40,000 individuals receiving assistance of one form or another from the fund, a massive 71% increase from 2019. The 2020 distribution of funds is 9 times that of an average year. And despite the arrival of 3 effective vaccines and the possibility of some Broadway productions returning to the stage in the fall, the Actors Fund's work, and its need for contributions, is far from over. The pandemic's economic toll will almost certainly have a longer tail for show business workers than for other industries, possibly by a factor of years. For most people this pandemic will be about 2 years from beginning to end, said actor Brian Stokes Mitchell, chairman of the board of the Actors Fund. For people in show business and the performing arts, we think it's probably likely to be closer to 5 years because shows have to get up and running. So many theaters have closed, regional theaters that just weren't able to survive. In its recent annual report on COVID's impact, the Actors Fund cited figures indicating that 63% of the nation's arts workforce is fully unemployed and 95% have reported income loss, with the average worker losing $22,000 in creativity-based income in 2020. The Actors Fund, a national human services organization for everyone working in performing arts and entertainment, ramped up its operations to meet the skyrocketing need. Among other things, donation drives, celebrity benefits, virtual concerts and variety show events like the YouTube series Stars in the House have helped raise money and awareness. Yet there's growing concern among some fundraisers, including the Actors Fund, that as vaccinations increase, pop-up events pop up, and talk gets real about the reopening of Broadway, the public and donors could misinterpret the good news as a sort of all-clear sign that the devastation, and the need for assistance, is over. People in this industry will need time to recover, said Joseph P. Benincasa, president and CEO of the Actors Fund. With New York's moratorium on evictions set to expire in May, Benincasa said, "We anticipate that people in our community will need some help getting caught up on rent and mortgages. And then there's health insurance." According to the fund's report, the breakdown of the organization's impact over the past year is as follows, and as stated in the report, from March 2020 through January 2021, the Actors Fund provided over $19 million to over 15,000 individuals during 2020 through its own funds and those of 17 partner organizations. The assistance covers basic living expenses such as rent, groceries, medicine or health insurance. The people served in 2020, 5 out of 6 came to the Actors Fund for the first time.